So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make menu cards for your restaurant for totally free. And you can actually pay for it as well, but you can also do it for free. So what we want to do is go to canva.com, and once you're here you want to log into your account or create a new one, and you will end up on this page right here. And we want to search for menu, and we want to make a restaurant menu. So we are going to select the menu with the with this restaurant icon right here. This will show only restaurant menus. So although most of the templates are free, not all of them are. So I'm going to show you guys how you can check if they're free or not. If you don't mind paying for it, of course, you can just select every template you want. But I'm going to show you guys right now. So you just want to click on any template, because it doesn't really matter which one it is, because this will show up the editor. And right now there are lots of themes showing up as well. So we can go to the lunch menu, bar menu, diner menu or dinner menu, cafe menu, drink menu, and literally every menu you could think of. So if you want to, for example, a barbecue menu, you're going to click on see all. This will show every template up, and as you can see, this one and this one, there is a big in capital letters free on the bottom right corner of the template, and for these they aren't, so that means that these are paid. As you can see right here, this one's €1, so it's not that much. But if you don't want to pay for it, just go with a free one. For example, this one right here, this is the template. So I'm going to show or zoom a bit in so we can see everything better. And we are going to change the name first. So just double click on the name, then type your name in. So we're going to do how to digitals, just like this. And of course, as you can see, it doesn't really fit. So what we want to do is we want to select this whole our whole text, and we want to make the text smaller. Okay, so that's a bit too small. But maybe this is nice. So we have to move this back, because this, I don't know why. So sometimes this looks better. So this will be on the right place as well. Okay, so that's it. So we can change our menu however we want to. So for example, the burgers, we can add a name right here. So we can just do like a cheese burger, just like this, and then change the description up as well, like just select it and then just type something in, just like this. So that is basically how everything works. You can just customize every single word and shape or form like this. You can change these all up as well. You can rotate them too if you like to. You can move them around, and that's it. So what we can also do is change the background color. So currently set on sort of red, but we want to change it to blue, for example. And you can also go to the wheel color and change it up like this. You can even use color codes to match your website's color. And that's basically it. So I'm going to copy this color code, so I want to change these up as well. So I'm going to click this sort of sausage icon and go to the color and change it to the same color, just like this. And so it matches perfectly, of course. And we can also, since this one actually, these two, these all of them have two colors, so You could also change this to black, for example. This one to gray, this one to lighter gray, this one to this, just like this. And yeah, we could just change this all up. And if you are done with yeah, editing all of this, you want to save it, of course, so we want to click on this download button right here. And currently it's set on PDF print, and it says suggested for the file type. So I do recommend leaving it on the suggested file type, but you can also change to JPEG or PNG if you really want to. But basically, once you've done all this, just click on download, and it says preparing your design, and as you can see, it's already been downloaded. You can see sort of quick preview right here, and if you go to yeah, this, you can see that this is your yeah, menu for your restaurant. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.